Firewolf, and we are in Minecraft, obviously, as you can see. The other Select, yeah. We are wolves, and today we'll be playing as wolves. We are wolves. And we have Maddie. Say hello, Maddie.
Hello.
Hey. I'm getting hungry. Oh, I'm guessing this is the head wolf.
That's not the head wolf.
Where are you?
We have to choose a wolf to go to next. A wolf friend to go to next. You choose. I don't care.
Where are they?
They're all right here. We just choose a thing to go in.
I'll go in this one.
Okay.
I am fire. I love fire. Woohoo! Fire! This girl is on fire. There's so many of them. So what do I do? Oh, hello.
So we speak to this head wolf. I'm dying. I am dying. Help.
Okay, let's not fall in lava. Let's not fall in lava. Okay, that's bad. Okay.
I am dying.
There's a portal over here.
Hold on, wait. Where's the head wolf? I can't find him because I can't see.
I think it's over here.
Wait, no. I think he's...
Bro, I'm not
No, that's not the head wolf.
You're still on fire? That's sad.
Finally, I'm not dying for once.
That's like so slay.
Oh, there he is.
I'm running.
Sir?
Excuse me, sir. I'm gonna steal from your chest now.
What is in there?
I don't know. I can't. It's not. Okay. FBI.
Blueberries.
Open it.
Should I show pictures?
Okay, so we're in. Sorry about the pause, guys. That was rude and weird. Defeat the monsters using bite. What monsters? Hello?
Oh wait, it's down here.
Where are you?
I am on fire.
Maddie is on fire.
Oh wait, no, we're supposed to be in the normal one. Otherwise it won't work.
Oh. Let's just go.
Hey, let's not die.
I don't want to die today.
I'm probably not.
Yeah, no, I'm actually good. Maddie, what are you doing? No!
I couldn't get out. It's fine. I'll respond.
Beep. Okay, you respond.
Yes, respond.
Bad. Okay, good.
No, you just died. It's fine.
No, I didn't die. What are you talking about? Ah! I didn't die.
I know.
Oh well.
I'm trying to find where the monster cave is, but I can't find the monster cave.
I mean, that's kind of good, actually.
We have to defeat it.
And it's so... Oh, wait, Bessie, I need to eat food. Oh, wait, good thing I have bread. Food.
But I dieted it, so I don't have to eat food.
Well, you kind of do, eventually.
No, I don't.
So you're just invincible?
Maybe.
I'm going to find you. And kill you. I'm just kidding. Well, I mean... I'm
gonna die anyway.
Ah! Not me falling in water. Serena, she's a tricep. Where are you?
I'm coming up to where you are. Come on.
Ow. I'm not up anywhere now.
You get to see my wolf butt.
Eh.
Wolf butt.
I'll hit that
You know
wolf
how I
butt.
feel when you sleep, Wonder Puppy.
What?
Now you know how I feel when you sleep, Wonder Puppy.
Yeah, well, now you have... Yeah, well, you want to know how I feel when you're sleeping? Kicked in the face 500 times. Like, yeah, that's, like, lovely. Cat
I found
claw.
a chest.
Where? Take me something.
I only grabbed an apple.
A singular apple? Whee! Ow. Wait, what am I saying ow for?
I
Okay.
cannot find the thing. I have found the thing.
Okay, so we're gonna go over here. We're gonna try
Make
to...
sure to have yourself on bite. Nah.
How do you use it?
You just click it.
Ow. I can't use it. Oh, there it is.
You just click on the thing.
Oh my gosh. Last one. I got it. Ow. You little... Yes! We completed the quest.
Return to tech leader.
Run.
She's a runner. She's a track star.
Here. Oh yeah, guys. Can you guys tell me in the comments like what the weather is for you guys? Because right now it's snowing where we are. It's snowing so hard. Oh, I
literally obliterating the sky.
well, I wouldn't say that. Excellent work.
Can you do it?
I'm not young. I am old. Okay.
Nice try, Wonder Puppy. You're 46.
I hit you. You've earned the respect of the pack. Yes! Oh, sorry. I accidentally just hit, bro.
No. Look at swipe.
What? Okay, like, yeah. Wait, what do we have? Oh.
We need to get more tokens to the shrine. 10 more. Hold on, I got it.
I have 20. I have 20. What's the
well, now we do.
What shrine?
This shrine over here.
Okay.
I need to eat food.
Food. How do you give them?
Oh, you just stand next to them.
It's like bro is sucking them. No, don't suck them out of my soul. I hate you. Sad. Another one.
We need to go to the pack leader now.
Again, another one.
Yeah.
Wait, Bessie, we gained another heart, or a few more hearts.
Oh, yeah.
That is so cool. That is so slay. Where? What hell? Oh,
where we were before.
Oh, Moonwolf. Okay, that's so slay. Let's go. Okay, bet.
I want to be a moon wolf. There's also a rainbow wolf, Riley.
Oh, okay.
You want to be that?
I don't know. Oh, it might be over here. Maybe.
Hold on, wait. No, the thing is right here.
Hi, Bessie. I can't. What? Oh. Die. Okay, guys. So, like, yeah, guys, I'm gonna make a part 2. Make sure you smash that like button in the face and subscribe if you like my content. Bye.